If the current president is giving legal orders, dapat mas walang hesitation ngayon compared to the previous administration where mas mukhang excessive mga paramdam ng Pangulo.
So ngayon, I don't think that there are people who does not who expresses any hesitation. Walang ganon. Dito sa mga utos ng presidente natin, 3-minute response, faster police service, huwag pasapasahan ng ating mga pulis. Wala tayong ganon. As compared sa last administration, di ba may isang chief of police na talaga na-publicize pa na hindi ako papatayin ng tao. There was somebody who actually voiced that concern na hindi ako papatayin ng tao. Hanapin natin ang chief of police na. I think he was a captain during the time, chief of police na isang maliit na bayan. So, may ganun ka expressed na opinion during the time. Because, at hindi rin man nila ma-caution. Kasi tama nga naman ang posisyon ng tao na, may mamamatay lang sa police operation kung papasok ng Article 11, which is the justifying circumstances. Ang gagamitin lang is self-defense. Pero, bakit lumabas ang ganung klaseng opinion? So, indicators, no? Wala mang nagsabi na talagang may ganung utos, pero may indicators dahil may nagsasabi na ito ang gagawin ko. Hindi gaya ng ipinag-uutos niyo.